Hello all, in today's video we will review 5 powerful winter rituals that will keep your body strong, your immunity high and your mind calm this season. Or the 5 habits that can take you from being a Rogi to a supercharged yogi in winters. Namaskaram everyone, Dr.Neha Garg here, an integrative physician and an Ayurvedic health counselor. Welcome to the Healthy Buddha channel. In our previous video, we reviewed points from Ayurvedic physiology and the effects of winter on the 3 bodies or the koshas and the Agnis or the metabolic fires. The Agni or digestive fire is strongest in the winters. So the body can handle rich, nourishing foods and goes into anabolic or tissue building phase during winters. The tissues and nutritional stores that we build during the winter season then become the basis of our immunity and strength during the next year. So the goal in winters is to nurture, lubricate and strengthen and avoid severe fasting, juicing or other kinds of cleanses and detoxes. The top 5 winter practices to boost your tissues, immunity and Ojas are: number 1, Abhyanga or oil massage with warm sesame oil done 2 or 3 times in a week. It improves your vagal tone, energy and blood circulation and sleep quality. It enhances the Ojas or immunity in winters. Warm sesame oil is the best option as it calms the Vata dosha in the winters and it is deeply penetrating and nourishing. Next is Rasayana diet, which is a diet rich in omega-3 and other essential fatty acids. Ghee is a source of gut-friendly, short-chain fatty acids along with vitamin A, D, E and K, which help in boosting immunity and Ojas. Other Rasayana foods for winters are nuts, seeds, dates, milk, honey, nourishing vegetable soups, bone broth and fish oil. Third is sun exposure or Surya Namaskar. Sun exposure naturally increases serotonin production and it prevents seasonal affective disorder. But there may not be enough sun hours in winter days in your city, which makes Surya Namaskar the next best option. It is one of the most powerful vinyasa flow practices that helps in igniting the internal sun, generating warmth and balancing the mind and the prana. Fourth is use of winter-friendly spices like ginger, cinnamon and turmeric. Ginger has heating and scraping properties. It ignites the digestive fire as well as your willpower. So a cup of warm ginger tea is an easy solution to get you out of bed if you're feeling really slow and sluggish. Turmeric is next, which reduces both the kapha and the vata doshas, which are both predominant in winters. It supports immune function. It purifies the srotas or the subtle energy channels through which the prana flows. Third is cinnamon, which is a warming spice that enhances circulation, uplifts the mood, and it warms the heart center. You can put half teaspoon of all of these 3, ginger powder, turmeric powder, and cinnamon powder in a cup of almond milk or normal dairy milk to make a healing and nourishing Ojas milk or golden milk. Last and the 5th one is licorice root tea. Switch that 2nd or 3rd cup of coffee with licorice tea and feel the difference in winters. Licorice is an adaptogen that modulates cortisol levels. It enhances mental steadiness and it soothes mucous membranes and sore throat in winters. Sipping on licorice tea in winters will help you beat those winter blues. But it is not for everyone. Those with high blood pressure, heart disease or chronic kidney disease should avoid taking any form of licorice. This brings us to the end of our video and our summary. Winter is the time to build, not to detox. Feed your fire, nourish your tissues and strengthen your mind. Skip the crash diets and fortify your Ojas with Surya Namaskar and Ojas milk or the golden milk. Be a yogi this winter, not a Rogi. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share so we can keep making more such holistic health videos. Till next time, stay warm, stay radiant, stay healthy.